Now when I hit, hear the big click? Now the one thing I always want to stress as I take this out and then just set the old one aside is when you put the new one in. I've heard all kinds of horror stories about misaligning spark plugs, putting them in the right angle or wrong angle, misthreading them, all kinds of things like that. You've got to be careful, but as long as you're conscientious, this shouldn't be scary or hard. All you just need to do is we'll get one of the new plugs, and we're going to slide it slowly into place with the socket. I've got it fit into my spark plug socket, and then I'm just going to feed it back in nice and straight. I'm going to use my fingers because that way I can feel if it's going in and it's going in straight. So at this point, it feels like it's going in straight. As it gets tighter and tighter and tighter, it'll get to the point where I can't tighten with my fingers anymore. This is where you're going to want to use your torque wrench. Now, BMW recommends 22 foot-pounds. 22 foot-pounds is 264 inch-pounds. But most torque wrenches, and I've got an adjustable torque wrench in this case, are set for inch-pounds. So I've set it to 264, which is, as my torque wrench is marked, 120, then 240. As I've turned the handle to adjust it, I've gone to, from when 0 is at 240, I've turned it 1 notch and 2 notches because that should be 24 more inches. So at that point, I'm at 264, which is exactly what I need it to be. So turn it, you set it into your spark plug, and then you just tighten down. Now, there's a lot of different ways, and I'm going to pause here for a second because it's getting tight. Now, most torque wrenches are clicking torque wrenches. Make sure your torque wrench is set properly before you do this work. If your torque wrench is set wrong, you can make a very, very painful mistake. So I've quadruple checked my torque wrench to make sure it's set at 264 inch-pounds, which is 22 foot-pounds. Now, when I hit, hear the big click? That means I'm at the correct torque for that spark plug.